Hello, I'm trying to show you how to download the Screencast matic, or right now it's known as a ScreenPal. First of all, you need to go into your browser, type in Screencast matic download, and this one will pop up. Download Screencast and Screencast matic. Okay, you'd go into, click on it. So you can see I already downloaded it right here. And after that, you just click on it. Yeah. You might need to put in a virus scan, but I already did. So we just click yes and set up. Yes. Okay. And finished.